Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how to make a delicious Jamaican peanut smoothie. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. To a blender, we're going to add 1 ripe banana, a half a cup of quick oats, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1/3 cup of date syrup, one-third cup of homemade peanut butter, one and a half cups of almond coconut milk. The links for my date syrup and homemade peanut butter will be found in the description box. And there you have it, a quick and easy Jamaican punch.